Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to comment, like, share and of course do subscribe or follow the page. SisThembi from Dlozlami has been doubted by a lot of people who are sangomas and mediums for being fake, you guys. Now, after one old episode where she helped one person who had wrote into the show connect with her ancestors, we really got to see that this lady is truly spiritually gifted, you guys. Not only did she connect this lady with Amadlozi Ake, we also saw this lady getting into a trance for the very first time, and the ancestor's voice came out, and SisThembi was able to communicate with them, you guys. And we also had the ancestors communicating back, you guys. Now, despite the backlashes that she has been receiving from sangomas and people online, this sangoma, along with other people, gave SisThembi her flowers for the amazing work that she does, and she praised SisThembi. So up next, I'll just go ahead and insert the video. But before I do that, please do make sure that you like, you follow the page, and of course you do comment so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video.
A very good morning. Yesterday I was live and I publicly reviewed Thembi Nyathi. Lalelani nginichazele. Thembi Nyathi has been put kuleya throne isihlala kahleli kusona by God. Thembi Nyathi is gifted. Thembi Nyathi aligns you with Dlozlami. Thembi Nyathi will give you the source of your problems. Thembi Nyathi will not treat ama symptoms. Thembi Nyathi is not akalaphi with curses, akahamba now, or broken gift or incomplete gift. Thembi Nyathi is gifted. If Thembi Nyathi was a scam, I was going to say, yeah, no, she is a scam. She is not a scam. I do not care ugogo madubula utini. I do not care umkhuluboza utini ngoThembi Nyathi, trying to invalidate her and discredit her. I do not care what you're all saying and think about her. But uThembi Nyathi is gifted. Thembi Nyathi udonsa ngesidalwa. Right? Akadonsi ngeyigubhu nangezizwe nani udonsa ngesidalwa, and uzokutshela the source of your headache ukuthi is stress. I don't care who says what. My husband had been longing to see her. We booked last year October for this year, and we finally went to see her. Everything that she said, lalelani awejehova ngcwele nkosi ngibrengazi, everything that she said, yiyo injalo, yiyo isource yenkinga. Umnikeze isource yenkinga ukuthi nansi isource yenkinga yakho, ne? So nina, if umuntu engenzi the way nenza ngakhona nowadays, bo 99%, bo 99%, mongathwasisi nje amadumane, ungena amadumane nje kwakho amakhanda above ekhanda uyinkinga, kushuthi nje wena you are a scam. If wenza izinto idlozi likhombisa izinto, idlozi guys likhuluma ngezenzo, and look around you. Idlozi uses nature to show you things. Ngeke lifike wherever there are izweni lemimoya lizela lizokhuluma like me and you. They use ukutubone. They use Thembi Nyathi from Dlozlami is 100 million gifted. Mangathwasisi lana ungena amathwasa awu 50 million 87 trillion. Hayi kusho nje uyifake umphuphe awazi lutho. Yinini enidla imali zabantu? Mvumeni ngenkani. Mvumeni mina ngiyamvuma ngenkani. Thembi Nyathi from Dlozlami is not a scam. I don't care who says what. Don't believe them. Ngoba umuntu okhuluma iqiniso abamfuni. They will try to